How to fix the site can't be reached on Google Chrome. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this error. So if you have been trying to access any website from Google Chrome, but it says the site can't be reached, there might be a few reasons why. First of all, you'll have to check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable enough internet connection, that error might occur. So let's say if you have a stable connection but you're still getting the problem, then in that case, open up your Google Chrome, tap on the three lines at the top right, and then simply head over to Settings. Once you land on the Settings page, just go to Privacy and Security, and then from here, scroll down a bit until you find the Secure DNS option. Tap on Use Secure DNS. By default, it will be selected to auto. Now you're just going to have to choose another provider, and then from here tap on this customize URL and then tap on the drop down and just select the Cloudflare's DNS, that's 1.1.1. and once you have done that, you could go back and then again go to your delete browsing data option. From here you're going to have to delete your browsing data, so let's say for the last 7 days. Click on delete data and then you should be good to go. Then the next thing you can do is go to safe browsing and then turn off the safe browsing option. So just go ahead and turn it off. Now after doing all of this, just give your phone a quick restart and then your problem should be fixed. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.